Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3, and let me show you how to insert here the SIM and SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's open the back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity and the upper part of the device right here. Let's use just your nail finger to open the whole thing. Excellent. And here you can insert the microSD and SIM card. So let's start by inserting the microSD, the memory card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's just push this card right here to the end. Let me show you again. Now let's push it right here, and this is the properly inserted SD card. Now let's remove the back cover, the battery, and now you've got access to slot for the SIM card. This is my SIM card, regular size with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position right here. Let's press it to the end. That's it. Now let's close the back cover and the battery right here. Press power key to switch on the ALCATEL Pop S3. The device is turning on. Let's just wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Alright, let's unlock the screen. If you have PIN of your SIM card, you have to enter the PIN. But if the device is asking for a PIN, it means that your SIM card was installed properly. Now let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down and choose storage. So now if you scroll down here, you've got the information about the SD card, so it means that also your SD card was installed properly. You've got here also know that your device has the mobile network access, so it means also that your SIM card is working properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.